guys. Sorry guys, sorry. But look at this guys, look at this.
Nangyari sa akin.
Hindi ko nga alam, naka-video nga tayo pare. What happened to the priest? He's doing something.
They killed the Pope. No!
Where's the priest? Oh. I forgot I put him there.
Where's the priest? What is
The
gun
horse.
doing?
The horse, look.
Why are you banging his gun?
Yo guys. If you laugh at this video, just look at this. I just found this on what game is this again, bro?
Dark Journey.
Dark Journey, and the horse starting to do this.
The big one,
Lasing. Oh, I'm faster. I am faster. The legs of the pig, bro. Ang bilis. Wow, naka-video lang tayo. Gusto ko lang gumawa ng video para sa YouTube channel. Saan gumaganto?
Wait, you were recording?
Yes.
Wait, when were you recording, bro?
Kanina. At eto na, daming patay na tao. Bakit? Halika. Dito. What you doing? Bro! Anong nangyayari? Gusto lang namin matapos to. At guys, ito yung...
Bro, this game is so fun because of it.
Guys, may mga bugs rin dito that is so funny. Just... Helicopter!
One speeding up! Bakit bumibilis?
Pare, electric pan.
The big one.
Yan, naka-video.
Dude, the horse is speeding up every second.
Pare, napapagod na ako katawa dito. Look at this. Yung first nasa 99 Nights, ngayon sa Dark Journey.
Bakit ang bili?
Automatic electric fan.
Tapos na nga natin yan.
Yung multo, yung ulo niya. Binanggaan mo?
Ba't ang bakal ang horse?
Missy. Kasi, pare, may lang, stop.
What you do?
Kasi gutom na yan. Bakit lalong bumibilis sobra? Ano to laro? Pare, tinan mo. Makikita mo tong video sa YouTube, but anong nangyayari?
Go!
Let's go. Sana walang nagtutwerk na. No mercy. Bomber!
Ang goodness!
Gabe ako. No, but I think we need another pope. Why he's naked? Okay, kala ko naked. they're getting up on you. Nah, I will do my own thing. Bomber! Okay guys. Ito, naglaro kasi kami kanina. So, nasa malayo na rin kami. Nalaro. So,
basket.
tinakot ako. Lara, tinakot ako ng cornman. Ayun, nabaril ko sa iklog.
How many priests are there, bro?
I thought you only need one in one church. How many church are there?
Bang!
Yo, key, a key. We need key. Now I know why they use this key. Kasi, you know, to trick others. Guys, by the way, this is bad. This is super bad. If you put the cross upside down, that's so bad. Don't do that. Don't do that. No, the good. The good.
Just put the key on, you don't mind the naked priest.
Sorry. Sorry. Nasa isip ko pa rin yung yung horse.
Give me the doubloons.
May kailangan ko rin, hindi lang ikaw.
Akin ko lakas, wag ka.
Wala na, Piggy.
Mr. Krabs.
Boyo, start tigalingin nyo.
The black guy.
Hey, don't be racist.
No, I'm not kidding. There actually is.
What? Let me see.
The guy with the black head.
Wait. Wala. Why you died like that? Why you died like that? give me 10 push-ups. 1, 2, 3,
Ano ba?
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Give me 10 squats. 1. Okay.
Stop making him exercise.
Okay, wait lang. Let me get the holy water. Parang
Where did I
battlefield to. Pare, parang battlefield yung na-happen dito.
World War One. No. Actually, Medieval War One.
There. Good. Hindi World War 1 kasi wala pa kasi ganun. Wala kang kutsilyo yung baril natin. Yung knife natin. But you died so slow, bro.
I was just standing up like,
Oh, long at the edge of the universe. Let's go. Stop farting, bro. I'm gonna fart release.
alam ko narinig kita.
Magaling. Mawala kang spirito! Mawala kang spirito! Kaboom!
Ayaw kasi. Sumabog tuloy.
Mawala kang spirito! Kaboom!
Namatay ako tuloy ko kasi. Nahulog.
Meron pa ba tayong holy water?
Just grab my body and run.
Ang bahog na utot nilagay sa lubot. Ang bahog na utot nilagay sa lubot. Ang bahog na utot nilagay sa lubot.
Itin to.
Doon nag-exercise pa rin. Yo, this game's so fun because of the bugs, bro. Para likodan mo! The cross, bro. The cross makes it much stronger. No, weaker. Like Superman and Kryptonite. Black Knight.
Ano ba Black Knight, Black Knight.
Bakit? I just said
What's a
Black Knight.
Knight na itim? Anong Black Knight?
Alam mo mga...
Par? Par?
Main Sigma underground. So where's the priest?
Dead.
No,
The priest is dead, bro.
Use the cross. Use the cross, it can burn. Excalibur! Yung
Robo
pagba...
Gadget Blacksmith. Robo Gadget Blacksmith.
The blacksmith died?
No, I said Gogo Gadget Blacksmith. I mean, I use him. Protect me.
Where's the blacksmith?
Holding him.
I need to fix my armor. Where's your armor?
Here.
Pare, tama na.
Gogo boy.
Main Sigma underground. Nandiyan pa rin yung horse. Tira mo yung horse. Is that normal, guys?
Yun yung bigyan nila. You can begin it around. Pare, yung bigyan around. Boy.
Para, I think bro's fighting his inner demons. Bro's fighting his inner demons.
No! Ayun na naman tayo. Naman tayo, umiikot na ng ulo. How'd your plate die?
Huh?
How'd your plate die?
Yeah, but I'm just gonna buy more people. Yo, pause. Buy more people. Yo. Yo, that.
Slavery.
Hey, don't call it slavery, no.
Ay, sabi ko slavery. Slavery, okay? Slavery.
Okay, guys. He said slavery, not slavery. Okay?
Are you really gonna get demonetized because you said it like 2 times?
Nah. I always added it. Nilalagay ko sa YouTube, not made for kids. But pinapanoorin pa rin ng kids. It's their fault, not mine.
Pa, look, a castle.
Meow, meow, meow. Naalala mo yung natumba ka?
Ha? Nisan.
Hindi mag... Oy! Pare!
Ha? What?
How do I get why did I get popular? Funny things in games. That's it. Like
I'm going to send the witch. I'm going to send the witch in the werewolf.
Baby, you'll try me you tonight. Come on.
The horse in the wagging his head. Ow!
Yo, parkan nyo. Yo, nasan yung Pope? Meron bang Pope? Poop?
No,
No,
this
not
not
poop.
this.
No, not poop. Not poop. Pope. Meron ba dito? It's only the... Yeah.
Papa, look.
Baby, you're trapping you tonight. Karma.
Oh, a stranger. You here to duel or just lost? I'm here to shoot you. What's in the air?
Ikaw nga yung sa bata. After I shoot the mother, you shoot the kid. For real, bro, why you shoot the kid? He doesn't do anything.
Dude, he will just pull out a random knife and just stab us. Okay, I'm replacing these gunners, bro.
Yeah, replace those gunners.
The dead ones, of course.
Yeah, the dead ones, not the alive ones. Kasi pag alive, kaya pa yun. And in the chat, don't call it something, okay? That we know.
Block.
Block.
Sabi ko lang black! Dude, I just said black. What's so funny about black?
Black Knight.
Ano ba?
Means to pod, Chrome methods.
Dude, stop moving the train!
I'm not. Ba't mo hindi mo na lang pinakain sa horse natin? Guys,
Ano nangyari sa horse? Ang baga ng iyo.
My neck hurts. Bro said my neck hurts.
Underground na to.
Anong sinasabi mong underground mata? By the way guys, I'm gonna AFK later. ER? Anong ER?
Boy. Boy.
Wala na. Iklog ka. Wala na. Ooh.
Does I kill the guard?
No.
Okay.
Sorry, if you kill the guard.
I'm gonna get some ammo. I need ammo. I need ammo. I need ammo. I need ammo.
Ha? What guard?
1, 2,
Guys, you did see me miss, right? You did see me miss.
3.
Hello guard, I'm your friendly neighborhood Spider-Man.
1, 2, 3. What did you kill? What did you kill? The blacksmith is angry at us.
Are you sure?
Diba? I start a riot. I declare. Yes, it's a civil war.
No mercy! Have no mercy!
The civil war.
Wag natin patayin yan. Wag natin patayin. Tama, he's not gonna do anything. Huh?
We will carry the scent of blood, sweet or garlic. That's definitely a burn people for life. I was going. Yo, what happened to my armor? Where it goes?
This is what you got.
Okay, maybe shoot the priest.
I drowned the priest. Yeah,
What
bro.
did you do?
Now he's sleeping, right? He's sleeping, guys, okay?
Why you shoot him, bro?
Now I didn't shoot him, right, kids? Right? Trust me.
I heard a gunshot.
Now, what if that's the soldier, not me? Okay, it's me, bro. At ayan na si Precious. Yo, Precious, wait lang. Wala na pa. Nag-join. May video na. Okay, may video na.
Did you finish recording? Did you finish recording?
Yeah. It's still recording.
Do you wanna go or not?
Just go.
Right? We're still in the game. Surprisingly, we're still alive.
Mm.
Dang. It's been 3 hours.
Bye.
What? Just step in the GC if you're done, okay?
The unemployed.
The horse is hungry.
The horse is hungry. You see the dead corpse of the priest? Okay. That's too easy, bro. Wait, the priest is dead?
Yeah.
Nah. I think.
Oh my god, is that a house?
Oh,
And there goes a horse.
okay, the priest. Yeah. Feed the priest. Yeah. You want to feed?
If you can see the house again where you have to help. And you just straight up help! Hey! I'm stuck! Yo! Stuck! I'm stuck! Help!
You want me to add the chair?
Yeah, please. Come
Just
on.
add the chair to the.
Yes.
Give me the.
No. Come on, bro. I'm in a dive chair.
You can't even. Dude. No. Wait lang.
Come on.
Wait lang. Let me climb. Let me climb. Let me
Are
climb,
you
bro.
crazy? Or just play stupid?
Ay, sorry.
Put on top of me, bro. I can't reach that. Why you put it below me? Hey, I'm a Where below me? What's the challenge? You suck.
There. Okay, the infinite chair is too OP. Right, guys? Even in Mafia, ano yun? Mafia Roads, tama. Hello, you peck me, ha? Lumipad. I can do this. Pare! Look! It's dancing! It's a dancing chicken!
Give me 10 push-ups. 1, 2.
Why you adding it to your underwear? Adding it. It's under there. Underwear. Dude.
Okay, let's see what you got.
Eat those chicken. Eat those chicken. Eat those chicken. Eat those chicken.
What I found is soy water and a plank.
Oh no.
Ano ba? Let's go.
Wait, let me pull up this. Wait! Okay, go. Oh, Greta!
I wanna see the house again. Oh, there is the house.
Wait, ipapasok mo muna tayo. Ipapasok mo muna tayo. Okay? Gusto mo?
Alright.
Alright. If it's a kid, kill the mother first before the kid. Nah. Kidnap the kid and ask some questions. Yes. Alang. Oh, it's the little girl. Hello, I'm definitely gonna help you.
I was the one who's supposed to shoot.
Look at the sick mother. Yeah, thanks for the box.
Okay. Oh! Dude. This time you actually have to help her.
Look at this. Look at this, bro.
Okay, so the kid, you have to help them. What the hell? What is the same?
Feed them to the horse. I don't care. How dark is, bro?
Oh.
Why there's a bump in your pants?
What?
Why there's a bump in your pants kanina?
Ako?
Yes, your character.
Give me ba doon?
No, the pig is dead.
Ay, ano ba nalaman?
The pig is dead. Oh.
It died like 20 miles ago.
Let's kill this.
Aran. Wait lang. Go, guys. Go.
Look ang corn guy. Gotta shove something in my... Attack! Get back to work! What's bro doing? I swear, if you die to a chicken, you're...
Tingin namatay kasi chicken.
Kailangan mo ng tulong.
Oh, he's fighting away.
Kailangan mo ng
He's not
tulong.
even attacking it.
Sure ka, kailangan mo ng tulong.
He died to the pig.
How many miles is this? This is my question. Useless key, I need that. I mean, we need that. We need another priest. Another priest.
Where is David?
Okay, you have the other one. Let's go. Wait, 3? No way.
Oh, we can use it for the small one.
Shoot. Let's go to the big one. It's the big one.
Oh, huh? Para tamo puan.
Hoy, wala na. Oh,
Ay! Oh!
give me some. Okay, give me those chairs. Give me those gold. I don't care. Give me everything.
So I took the USP that you have. I'm getting now. Black.
Yo, this is all you can eat buffet for the horse. Kasama yung pig, wala na. Bye-bye.
You can just hire a new pig. Where's the horse tag? Wow!
Kala ko vampire. Dude, I'm gonna be rich because there's a kid.
Good. Dog.
Feed the horse the kids. Hey! What's a big idea?
Diba?
Alam mo yun yung video.
Ay! What's the big idea?
Dying from cringe. Go.
You don't need to touch the chair there.
Ah, yeah, let's attach the chair here. Para ako yung isa pang sniper.
I should have put this gunman over there.
Ay, parang, ano yan, turret?
We can make... Someone actually made that, this game. I think someone made that in the game.
Will you stop?
Why does this guy have? Why does this guy have a pitchfork energy?
Sir, am I black? Maybe.
I'm hungry.
Give the horse some food, bro.
The carrots in the corner is making me hungry in real life. I know why. Yo, better come over here. You better check this out. Come here.
Why the zombie is making me hungry in real life?
What, Jelly?
Naisip ko may mga jelly sa loob niya. Parang yung heart na I still see your shadows in my
No, bro.
life.
Attach the cell to the plank.
Yeah, parang, is there a kid again?
So,
We're not
attach
just,
the chair, bro. Grab the chair and attach it to the plank.
by the way guys, we're not like PDD. We're different.
Still recording, bro?
Yeah.
I thought you stopped.
We're not just like P. Diddy. We're more dangerous. In game. In game. Okay guys, in game. Not in real life. Okay? We're not predators.
I'm a big bug on the line.
Ama lion. Kaka! Ay bali, lion. Kaka naman.
Kaka. Your bar. Look. We're
Yeah.
able to get the Pope.
Yo, do we need gold or something? Because I have 10.
Checkpoint.
Checkpoint? Wala lang. Ako na bahala. Gusto mo patayin natin sila?
No.
Okay, good. Good
Right.
choice, good choice. How much?
40 bucks.
Okay there.
So you can hire them.
You can hire them? I have 700, so...
That's what you 700.
Yeah. Don't ask how did I get it.
Let's buy more gunners.
Yeah, we need more. But first, let me sell, okay?
Gunners cost 150 bucks.
Ako magbibili or ikaw?
Now, gunners?
Yeah.
No. Dude, I have like 13 bucks.
Nah, bro, ikaw na lang.
Dude, I have 13 bucks.
Yeah, punta ka dito. Sa akin. Bar.
Wait lang.
Ayoko na. Ito bro, ito. Kasya na yan?
Ano?
Kasya na ba yan?
Kasha.
Okay.
Oh, you should hire the Pope.
I'm gonna hire the Pope, but mamaya.
I think this also has Excalibur.
Yo, we can have Excalibur. Dude, I bought armor for you. Where are you?
Dude,
You don't wanna? I'm gonna sell it, sige.
I don't think you can sell armor.
I sold it.
Okay.
I'm buying full.
So, by the way, the...
I'm gonna buy full armor.
Yeah, I wanna buy a knight.
No, okay. I'm rich.
Okay, I'm gonna sell 2 crosses.
Hey! No.
No, I'm just gonna sell 1.
Okay.
Oh, you can.
All you can eat buffet.
Ano ba?
Let me rob houses.
Anong rob houses?
Let me just... Sige. Gusto mo ganyan na? Family friendly. Sige. I'm gonna... Take... Just kidding, just kidding.
You're laughing.
Naalala mo yung horse? Pare,
I'm pulling the Excalibur.
biglang napilay.
I'm gonna die if I pull one last. You par? Do you have a herb?
No.
Oh wait, I can just heal from the Pope. I swear you got it.
I'm gonna buy Pope. I'm gonna buy the Pope.
It's 200.
200? 100 lang yan!
No, it wasn't 100, it was 200.
When I realized, am I
I
that?
know. I feel like demo man when I have this sword.
Okay, I hired the Pope. Can you add it to the train?
Who said I would?
Oh, sige, wag na lang. Ito. Add him to the train. Ako magbibili ng anong gusto mo.
One more gun. Okay, one night, one more night.
One night? Okay. One only?
Yeah, one night. How many you guys do you even have?
400.
They're gonna just buy another gunman. Just buy another gunman and the night.
I think I'm not gonna waste. I have 10 ammo, bro.
Okay, just buy ammo and if you can afford the two of them. And okay.
Wait lang, let me sell the werewolf. Sell ko muna yung mga werewolf. I have full armor.
Let me sell my wolf. I wish they had a pig so we can hire it.
Meron?
I wish they had a pig. Wish.
I wish you a Merry Christmas. I buy the night. 200 na yung pera ko. I can buy another Pope.
You're back. You bought another Pope?
Nah.
Why'd you buy another Pope?
Not yet.
Just hire it. I'm gonna give him some herb. I think it will be protecting.
Anong gusto? Meron bang maganda pang healer? Meron pa ba?
Your partner, don't mind this guy. Yo, you can heal them with herbs. See, so you can get them for free.
I'm so tough, right? I'm so tough.
What's the night?
I'm so tough,
Like
bro.
this.
I'm so tough.
Okay, you bought the night.
Ayaw mo? Sige, babalik ko na lang.
Ano ginawa ako? Dude, this feels like we're going to a civil war. Look at our courage, bro.
I forgot you can kill the knight.
Harmony too.
Be quiet.
Where are you?
Church. Yeah, church. I'm gonna sell some werewolf. Did I like the music? Yung tudun, tudun. Dun, 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 dun.
Dude, our carriage looks like we're you know those military trucks that carry military guys with those weapons.
Yeah.
It looks like one, bro. Not kidding.
Gusto mo bili pa ako?
Kapit money niyo ha, bro.
I'm
Ano kasi Elon Musk?
na bro. Alam, pag-isipan ko. I'm Bruce Wayne, Batman.
Oh my God. Are you able to afford one more gunman?
Yes. I have 400.
Just buy the gunman, bro.
Ikaw na lang magkuha. Ako yung magbibili.
Okay.
Pagkatapos yung isang gunman, bibili na ako ng ammo. Ay, wait, meron tayong ammo sa carriage natin. Right? Ayun, meron nga.
I thought we were gonna save it for Lucky Charm.
Nah, bro. I don't care no more.
Okay.
I need ammo. What you need? Luck? Or survival?
Ano to?
I bite him. Come on. Bar.
Ano nangyari dito?
Bar, here.
Come here, look at this. Ano yan? What happened to bro?
Yeah, what happened to bro? Look. He died.
Kill him! Dude, I saw that. I will.
That's why I say I need more bullets.
Dude, look inside of our carriage.
Because of this. Dude, the music is so cool. I killed so many, bro. Look at the chicken. Yeah, sorry, bro. I killed so many. I killed all of them.
Dude, look inside the carriage.
Well, let me feed the horse. That's why I killed every one of them.
Yeah, look inside the carriage, bro. It looks like
Warfare. Meron pa ba tayo nakalimutang tao na papatayin?
Did you kill the pig?
I killed everything.
No.
Why?
Oh, God.
We'll cook if it's nighttime. So I'm gonna buy more things.
No, we're not cooked, bro. We're low-key prepared.
Dude, tinan mo ako. I killed the whole village.
We hired half of the village.
Yeah, I think you're correct. We're not cooked. We're pooped. We're not cooked, we're pooped. Ay, I forgot. Fuy. May pa ba nakalimutan patay?
No.
Okay. I think, lang. Let me go to my city. Okay, let's go. I'm gonna AFK.
Inside the carriage.
Guys, I'm
Look how
gonna...
many people. Look how many people we have.
We only got the fighters, but the villagers, all dead.
I don't mind when I have a pirate.
Give me your booty.
Ayun yung booty.
Pare,
Yeah?
I'm gonna AFK mamaya, okay? Mga 12, 30,
67.
You think you were the one. Dude, I think we're strong enough to go to any kind of enemies.
Real.
I killed the whole village. We hired half of the fighters. What's next?
Yo, you wanna start? You wanna start a riot in the next town?
Hmm. Let me buy you something first. Shoot, 2%. Wait lang. Guys, wait lang. 2% ako. Okay, let's go. Let me feed the horse. Magutom. Dude, the whole village filled the horse up. Okay, go. Pare, don't stop until, yeah, we got the village or home, your base. But first, wag muna tayo mag-riot pag AFK ako, okay? Mag-AFK ako, guys.
Okay. Full house. Bandits. Yeah, right. Damn.
Yo, what's up? I'm back. Nagligo lang ako.
Imbes na lang bili ko.
Bakit? Ano? By the way guys, ito na yung end ng video but tutuloy pa rin kami maglaro. That's it. Okay guys, so 3, 2, 1, peace out. Okay?